Hey, since everybody always asks me about these, I thought I'd show you the hand strap. This is a hand strap with a redundancy backup. I'll show you that works in a second. I had one of my GFX Fuji, but it was nylon, and it was comfortable, not extremely comfortable. I thought I'd make one out of leather, but whatever it is you want to make one out of, you can make one in about 20 minutes. Now, these pieces are obviously the end pieces of a normal camera strap that you actually get for free when you get a camera. You can, of course, buy these used on eBay, old camera straps for like $2 or $3. You just cut the nylon webbing off of the end of them. I like these nickel-plated brass buckles that Nikon used to make. This is the size of the hand strap. You can actually see how it's cut here and underneath here. This is also a tip for GFX users, since they have these stupid Mamiya/Hasselblad lugs on them. And even if the leather were to break or the nylon were to break, since I actually have a single continuous piece here, it is still held in place by the black nylon webbing. And the way you're able to do that is actually have the looped pieces from either end pass through a third buckle in the middle. So if your hand strap were ever to break through the puncture holes, like right here, not that that's likely to happen, it would still be held in place by the hand strap. I actually also use the regular strap for hanging around the neck by, let me show you here, looping it on the bottom, and this lets you actually carry the camera side saddle, or side shoulder, as it were. And it took me about, actually took me about 15 minutes to make this. You can make one even a hair quicker if you use nylon instead of punching and dyeing leather. And you see how comfortable it is. It actually gets your hand away from the camera. Very comfortable. And these are the hand straps that I make for my Fujifilm X-T2, and also for a Nikon. Of course, on the X-T2, every other damn camera, you just have normal strap lugs instead of these stupid Mamiya/Hasselblad lugs, which are horrible. I wish Fujifilm had never put these on their GFX. Which also, too, these lugs are really expensive. You want to buy a replacement, not that they really fail. The lugs are about $30 for a set for a replacement. But this makes the camera a lot more comfortable. Here you can actually see how it actually makes this cockeyed when you actually use this as a hand strap. But it is extremely comfortable, as I'll show you here. Just like this. And there you go. As a close-up view, whatever you want to make it out of, nylon, leather, whatever. You can buy some nylon webbing, and be like 1-inch webbing. I made this a little bit wider than 1 inch. I stamped the leather and dyed it, and edge tooled it to make it soft and very comfortable. And you should make one yourself. The only thing you're going to need, like I said, is an old camera strap. And all the old camera straps the past 15 years or so come with those stupid plastic buckles, which I don't trust. That's why I buy these old metal buckles, which you can actually get for $10 a pair. And they are nickel-plated brass, actually, not the old Nikon ones. I'm not saying the plastic ones are bad. I just don't trust plastic. When it comes to stress point, actually, plastic gets dry and brittle and eventually breaks apart. And last thing you want to do is drop your extremely expensive camera on the concrete because of a stupid, $6,500 camera, 2-cent buckle. No, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to buy an old metal buckle that I know is not going to frigging break, instead of a piece of Chinese recycled recycled toilet paper tube plastic garbage. Don't trust plastic, not at a major stress point like that. So, anyway, make one yourself. Been busy working on my lecture. I got leather dye on my finger there. Thanks for watching, and there's your GFX/Fujifilm/Nikon tip of the day. Bye.